Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Skybreakers. In this video, I would like to explain about circuit pattern at the airport. I will be uploading aviation related video. To watch my regular uploading video, subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Before getting into the circuit pattern, you should know about runway orientation marking. The runway is normally used for intended takeoff and landing aircraft. All the runway orientation is taken reference from the magnetic north, that is QFU. It's in Q codes, magnetic orientation of the runway. To make the runway, wind component is a very important factors. Prevailing wind at that location according to that will make the runway. For example, I have given here the runway orientation, runway 09 and as well as runway 27. And for the understanding purpose, take this runway and keep it on this compass. And when the aircraft is on the runway 09, this is the runway orientation marking, runway 09 and runway 27. So when the aircraft on the runway 09 for taking off, ready for takeoff, the heading of the aircraft, the nose, it's pointing towards to east side. So and there is a heading of the aircraft is runway 090. So first two digit we will be considering for the runway orientation marking. For example, here, and the aircraft is taking off from runway 27 and the aircraft nose of the aircraft is pointing towards to west, so approximately 270, the heading of the aircraft. So we need to consider the first two digit, that is runway 27, for the runway orientation marking. Now we'll discuss about, for example, the wind is coming from this side. For example, the wind is coming from northeast and the aircraft need to take off from runway 090. And the headwind component is a very important factor for the taking of the aircraft. The headwind component will produce energy on the aerofoil surface to produce the lift. The aircraft wanna climb and initial climbs and everything, like the energy will get it on the wing surface and when in the headwind component. Now for example, the winds is coming from this side, for example northwest side, so aircraft need to take off from the runway 27. Now we will discuss about the circuit pattern, and it is a rectangular shape, and this circuit pattern is made for normally VFR flights. VFR I already discussed in the previous video, visual flight route, and that is like you can see naked eye and you need to fly, and this is about the height of the circuit pattern, that is around 600 to 1000 feet, and the aircraft in the vicinity of the aerodrome. When the aircraft is flying on the circuit, the ATC controller can see with the naked eyes. When the aircraft is flying on this circuit area, the ATC controller, they can see like what the aircraft is doing and what the aircraft is, like, maneuvering and all. Now in this circuit we can use the two patterns, that is a right hand pattern and left hand pattern. And suppose the aircraft is taking off from runway 09 and after liftoff airborne, and the aircraft need to fly, all the turns need to make the left hand, that is called left hand pattern. And for example, the aircraft is taking off from the runway 27 in this circuit, and all the turns need to make the right hand pattern. So when the aircraft is taking off from runway 09 left hand pattern, when the aircraft is taking off from the runway 27 and need to do the right hand pattern. Now, and this circuit area is approximately 2 nautical mile from the runway, and this is like approximately 2 nautical mile. And when the ATC controller can monitor when the aircraft in the vicinity, the normally like he can monitor from like where the aircraft is. And for suppose aircraft want to go to the other destination, then after liftoff the aircraft will set course to the towards the destination. And now we'll discuss about the different legs of the circuit pattern. After takeoff until certain height, I need to follow the runway heading, as I said, approximately and 2 nautical mile. This is approximately 2 nautical mile, and this leg is called upwind leg. And once you reach about to reach at the 2 nautical mile, the aircraft will turn to left. This is a left turn pattern, so need to turn left for the, this is called crosswind leg. And this is all the, when other one thing also you need to remember, when you're on the circuit area, you need to incite it with the your runway. Where is the your runway location? So after a certain distance, you will be turned towards to the downwind leg. This leg is the bigger leg, and approximately you will fly in the height of 600 to 1000 feet. And once and you will be end of the downwind, you will be turned towards to base leg, and that base leg, and you will prepare for the landing. You will be incited with the runway, so you will be preparing for the landing. And after once you are about to reach, and this is the final leg, and this is the final leg. Normally you will be turned 90-degree towards to the runway for the landing. And circuit pattern you need to know when you are starting your flying, and very very important, and you need to know about the circuit pattern. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment below if you have any query. Happy landing. Thank you.